Welcome viewers, and thanks for watching this short video.
Look, this sort of thing is the future because a lot of farmers' time is taken up going to check on the cows. I just sent out.
The first one is showing how a gentleman doesn't even look to his right as he approaches and enters the roundabout. He's visibly shocked when I honk the horn and come to a stop next to him. Hopefully, this fright might remind him to be aware of his surroundings in the future. Now, this bonus clip isn't going to be exciting. It just shows someone running a red light, almost exactly a second after it's gone red. This took place at the other end of the street from the first video. You even see me turning left at this intersection in the previous clip. Anyway, I know a lot of viewers may say, no big deal, it's only red for a second. But it's worrying that people are willing to risk an accident rather than stop and wait a few minutes for the lights to cycle. Imagine if the person was just a little later and the opposing direction had a green light, and this included the pedestrian walk symbol. How would this driver have felt if they hit a pedestrian and seriously hurt or killed them? The guilt will last a lifetime versus stopping for just a few minutes. What are your thoughts on red light runners? Have you been on the receiving end of one and ended up physically and financially hurt, all due to something that wasn't your fault? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my very eclectic channel to see more videos on a range of topics, hence the name Bits and Bobs.